Hello, good morning student. Today I am going to teach you next passage of the lesson The Enemy. Yesterday I had discussed that how the American prisoner reached near the house of Dr. Sadao. He was so badly injured, he was torn with the rocks, and both Hannah and Sadao when they saw the American prisoner in the beach, they went down from their house. They saw when they came towards him that indeed it was so. The sand on the side of him had already a stain of red soaking through. They saw, Hannah and Sadao saw when they came towards the American prisoner, that indeed it was so. The sand, one side the sand was of American prison had already a stain of red. There was a red stain. It was soaking and through. He is wounded. He means prisoner was wounded. Wounded means injured. Sadao exclaimed. Sadao was surprised. He made haste to the man who lay motionless. American prison was lay motionless on the beach, his face in the sand. The face of American prison was in the sand. An old cap stuck. An old cap stuck on his head. There was a cap on the head of American prison soaked with seawater. It means the cap was wet and he was in wet. Also the American prison was totally wet. वो भीगा हुआ था. His clothes were, his garments was raised. Raised means the torn. Sadao stopped. Hannah at his side. Hannah was also side up with the side of Sadao and turned the man's head. They turned the man's head. They saw the face of American prison, a white man. Hannah whispered. When they saw the face of American prison, Hannah whispered, a white man. Yes, it was a white man. Told Sadao, it was a white man. The wet cap fell away. The wet cap fell away and there was his wet yellow hair. When the cap of the American prison fell down, both Hannah and Sadao saw the wet yellow hair of American prisoner. Long, his hair was long as though as so many weeks it had not been cut, and upon his young and tortured face, his face was young. It means war prisoner were young and tortured face. His face was tortured, was injured, was wounded, was a rough yellow beard. His face was full of the yellow beard. The beard was rough. He was unconscious. The American war prisoner in the state of the unconsciousness and knew nothing that they did for him, and he was unknown about that. Sadao and Hannah were taking him, were towards him, were near him. Now Sadao remembered the wound. And with his expert finger, when Sadao remembered that there was a wound of the American war prisoner, his expert finger, so Dr. Sadao's expert finger, Dr. Sadao began to search for it. Blood flowed fastly. The blood was flowing from the wound of the American war prisoner at his touch. As Dr. Sadao touched the wound, the blood was flowing. On the right side of the lower back, Sadao saw that a gun wound had been opened. The flesh means mass, the flesh was blackened with powders. Sometimes, not many days ago, the man had been shot and it means the man has been shot. It means the bullet has been stuck on the body of the American war prisoner. It was not so many days ago, had not been tended. It was a bad chance that the rock had struck the wound, and also the American war prisoner has been wounded when he reached there through the rocks. Oh, how he is bleeding. Hannah whispered again, how he is bleeding. It means the blood was flowing through the body of American war prisoner. In she said in slow voice. Hannah said in slow voice, the how is he is bleeding. The mist screened them now completely, and at this time, the day, no one came by. It means there was nobody at that time. Nobody was in the on the beach, and it was the time now completely. Correct? The mist screened them. Now they were surrounded by the mist completely, and at this time of day, no one came. No one came on the beach. The fishermen had gone of their homes, and even the chance beach combers would have considered the day at the end, because it is the end of the day, it is evening time, and nobody was in on the beach, and only Sarao and Shana was there when the American war prisoner reached on the beach. What shall we do with this man? Shadao muttered. Shadao muttered. What shall we do with this man? It means what shall we do? हम इस आदमी का क्या करेंगे? Shadao is muttering. What shall we miss Hannah and Shadao do of that man of American war prisoners? But his trained hands, the trained hands of Shadao seemed of their own will to be doing what they could to stanch the fearful bleeding. The blood was flowing so regularly, continuously, and Sadao was trying his best to stop the blood from the body of the American war prisoner. He packed Dr. Sadao packed the wound. Dr. Sadao packed the wound of the American war prisoner with the sea moss that stood the beach. The sea moss was stood the beach. Dr. Sadao took the moss and packed the wound of the American war prisoner. The man moaned. The man moaned, means cried. The man cried with pain in his stupor, but he did not awaken. The person was moaned, the person was cried by with pain, but he did not awaken from his unconsciousness. The best thing that we could do would be to put him back in the sea. Sadao said, answering himself. Sadao is thinking that the best thing will be the best thing that Sadao and Hannah was thinking that the best thing Sadao was thinking that the best thing we could do would be put him back in the sea. It means Sadao is answering himself. We should drop the American war prisoner again on the sea. Sadao said, ask a question himself and also answering himself. Now that the bleeding was stopped, when Sadao packed the moss on the wound of the American war prisoner, then the bleeding was stopped for the moment, or he stood up and dusted the sand from his hands. Sadao stood up nearby the American soldier and he dusted himself. He dusted the sand from his hands. Sadao dusted the sand from his hand. Yes, undoubtedly that would be best. Hannah also said it is best to put the man again on the sea, to drop the man again on the sea. But she continued to stare down at the motionless man. When Sana was saying this, she was looking steerily. Steerily means घूर करके देख रही थी. Down at the motionless man. If we settled a white man in our house, we should be arrested, and if we turned him over a prisoner, he would certainly die, Sadao said. Sadao said Hannah. Sadao told Hannah, if we settled means होता है आश्रय देना. If we settled, it means if we kept the white man in our house, so we should be arrested. Sadao is saying to Hannah, if they will keep the American white man in their house, it means they should be arrested by the government. And if they turn him over a prisoner, so naturally, certainly, he would be die. Sadao said. The kindest thing would be to put him back into the sea. Hannah said, it is the very kindest thing, we put him back into the sea. दोबारा इसको समुद्र में ही डाल दो तो यही kindest thing रहेगा. Hannah said, but neither of them moved. लेकिन उन दोनों में से कोई भी आगे नहीं बढ़ा उसको समुद्र में डालने के लिए. They were staring, दोनों उसको घूर करके देख रहे हैं टक लगा के, with the curious repulsion upon the inert finger. What is he? Hannah whispered. There is something about him that looks American, Sadao said. There is something about him. इसमें क्या है, इससे क्या है, कह रहा सदाओ कह रहा है that looks, ऐसा लगता है कुछ अमेरिकन वो है इसमें. Sadao said. He took up the battered cap. Sadao took the cap which has been owned by the American prisoner. Yes, they're almost gone, was the faint lettering. The letter has been written on the cap was fainted. What fainted? A sailor, he said, from an American warship. He spelled it out. The spelling has been written on the cap. Sadao spelled out U.S. Navy was written on the cap. The man was a prisoner of war. He has escaped, Hannah cried softly, and that is why he is wounded. He has escaped from the war, from the prisoner, and so this is the reason he is wounded. In the back, Sadao agreed. They hesitated looking at each other. Hannah and Sadao was looking each other. Then Hannah said with resolutions, come, are we able to put him back into the sea? Sana told Dr. Sadao, come, we are able to put him back into the sea. If I am able, are you? Sadao said, if I am able, are you able to put him back in the sea? No, Hannah said, but if you can do it alone. Hannah told Sadao, if you can do it alone. Sadao hesitated again. The strange thing is, he said, if the man were whole, I could turn him over to the police without difficulty. I care nothing for him. He is my enemy. All Americans are my enemy, and he is only a common fellow. You see how foolish his face is. But since he is wounded, what is Sadao saying to Hannah? The strange thing is, it is a very strange thing is, Sadao said that if the man were whole, I could turn him over the police without any difficulty. I care nothing of him. I do not care of the American person because he is my enemy. All American my enemy, and he is only a common fellow of America. You see, Sada was telling to Hannah, you see how foolish his face, how foolish the face of the American war prisoner. But since the person is wounded, you also cannot throw him back to the sea. Hannah said. Then Hannah told Sada, if you cannot throw him back into the sea, Hannah, then there is only one thing. Then Sana, if you do not if you cannot throw the person back into the sea, then only there is only one thing to do. We must carry this person into the house. अगर आप इसको समुद्र में नहीं डाल सकते हो तो इसके बाद एक ही रास्ता है, इसको अपने घर में अपने हाउस में ले चलो. बट द सर्वेंट सदाओ इंक्वायर्ड, बट सदाओ आंसर टू हना, बट द सर्वेंट सदाओ कि सर्वेंट इंक्वायर्ड, हमारे जो नौकर है वो पूछेंगे किसके बारे में, अमेरिकन प्रिजनर के बारे में. तो वी मस्ट सिंपली टेल देम दैट वी इंटेंट गिव हिम द पुलिस. हना टोल्ड सदाओ कि वी मस्ट सिंपली टेल द सर्वेंट्स कि वी इंटेंट टू गिव हिम टू द पुलिस, कि हम इसको पुलिस को दे देंगे. एज इंडीड वी मस्ट, जैसे हम इसको करेंगे. सदाओ वी मस्ट थिंक ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, हम बच्चों के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. एंड यूर पोजिशन, कह रहा है कि वी मस्ट थिंक अबाउट द चिल्ड्रन एंड एज वेल एज योर पोजिशन. इट वुड endanger all of we. It is very danger of all of us. We did not give that man over as a prisoner of war. Certainly, Sadao agreed. I would not think of doing anything else. Dear friend, listen this audio. Also watch this audio. Listen this video and watch this video carefully. Try your best to understand of the story step by step. Thank you.